American Comfort is an organization of people, and we make sure that we share the same values as a company. We believe that when customers know what we stand for, sparks really fly. Our first core value is family. Our company is family-owned and operated, which means we treat our customers like they were our own friends and neighbors. We work with experience. Our team has combined total of 50 years of HVAC experience. This lets us solve the most complex challenges correctly and the smallest challenges quickly. The customer always comes first. A good name is better than money at the end of the day. We always say, we are in the people business, we just happen to do HVAC. Think you'd be a good match with our expert technicians? Then go ahead and schedule an appointment today.